I just want to quickly let you know that I do sell customs. If you like the content that I have on this channel, then you are going to love my customs. Trust me, it's a lot better viewing pleasure than here. As you can see, the prices in blue are for my OnlyFans babes, while the prices in pink are for everyone else on the outside. If you're interested, then go ahead and screenshot this picture and send me an email. Alright, I don't want to hold you up any longer. Talk to you soon. Enjoy.
I have gotten multiple comments in order to make another burp video. I am not ignoring you all. I see you commenting under my burp videos, asking for more. I just don't make burp videos super fast because either you love it or you hate it. Like, some people are really disgusted by burps. And not only that, I feel like it's a little repetitive. There's no tricks or anything when it comes to burps. But look what I have. I have a can of 7-Up just for you. And we're going to drink this up together. Notice I had to use a butter knife to open it. Last time I used my fingernails, I actually broke a nail opening the can. I'm so salty. But anyways, cheers. That's it. It's not as carbonated. It was warm at first and then got cold. I don't know if that makes a difference. Excuse me. I'm so full. Hopefully I get a big one for you. Whew. Whew. Excuse me, sorry, I don't really have great burps today. It's not. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to burp on purpose. That soda was not carbonated enough. It was funny. I had like a whole case of soda, and I got to my last can. All the other sodas were making me burp like crazy. I'm sorry. It's my fault. Whew. 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 Hold on. Whew. Whew. Ooh. I feel a burp in my chest. But it won't come up. That was decent. Whew. Those are all the burps now. Sorry they weren't so big and deep. If you want more burp content, then go on my OnlyFans. I have a bunch of mukbangs where I burp for you. I have a category dedicated strictly to burps. If I'm not mistaken, I have like at least 30 burp videos. So yeah, go to my OnlyFans. You will get at least 30 burp videos for only $11.11. You can't beat that. All right. It was nice burping with you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.